A trip to Bhopal. Today, Sugandha is very excited. All the children of her school are going on a trip to Bhopal with their teacher, Miss Minakshi, and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. Mrs. Minakshi will be need 4 buses. Mr. Rakesh, I think we need at least 5. Miss Minakshi, each bus has 50 seats. Mr. Rakesh, let us see how many children are going. 32, 33, 42, 50, 53. Do we need 4 buses? One bus can take 50 children. 4 bus can take 50 into 4. So there are a total number of children going. If they get 4 buses, how many children we get seats? Will there be any children left without seats? For just a few children we can't get another bus. We can share seats. Waiting for the buses, Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. She shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them run, grab the window seats." Many children start jumping in excitement, but stop. But is this these buses are so small. Now there is an argument. We told you to bring big buses. We did not have enough big buses, so we got many mini buses. Each mini bus can take 35 students. How many mini buses are needed? Come on now, get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock. The journey begins. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. Indra, when will we reach Bhopal? Miss Asha, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around o'clock. Manjeet, is it very far? Mr. Bhimsen, it is about 70 kilometer. Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh may be at Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometer from here. If they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. After 11 o'clock, as they are talking, Bahadur shouts, "Hey, look at the Narmada." Everyone looks out of the window. Ruby, wow, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide is it? Gopi, 100 meters. Now it is much more. Can't say. Victoria, I must be more than half a kilometer. Miss Asha, look, it is written. This bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that the Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. Was Victoria right? Sadaf. I just can't imagine 500 meters, Miss Asa. See, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. Have you ever crossed a bridge, long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Everyone looked down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. Miss Asha, but in the rainy season, the water had risen. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. What is the difference between the water level of Narmada in the rainy season and now meters? The children discuss about the river for some times. Suddenly the bus stopped with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. Two buses needed to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. Some children have got down to look more closely. Each bus take about 15 minutes to refill, and there are two buses to be refilled, so they stop there for about minutes, which means they are late by about minutes. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liter, so we have to pay 3500 rupees for the diesel. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. As the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. How much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. To Bhimbetka. After the buses are refilled, the journey started again. Now the children are told that they are stopping at Bhimbetka. Anjan, what is Bhimbetka? Miss Rana, it is a place with lots of cave and cave painting made by people 10,000 years ago. Sumonto, 10,000 years. I can't even think to 1,000 year back. Gopi, oh, 1,000 year is a big thing. I can't even think of 100 years. Gauri, I can think of 100 years because my father's grandmother's is 100 years old. Manjeet, that means those caves are almost 100 great grandmothers old. Everybody burst into laughter. Ha ha ha. Now the children are really excited to see the cave painting. It is about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. Wow, even 10,000 years ago people made such lovely painting, that too on rocks. Oh, these rocks are thousands of years old. Shankar. This painting also has very big bisons. Hey, I got an idea. I will count the bisons and you count the deer in the paintings. Bonomala. I will count people. Let us see which are the most bisons, deer or people. 34, 35, 36, 37. I got 37 bisons. 1112, 1113, 1114. I got 1170. 17 deer. Yeah. How many more deer are there than bisons? But Bonomala is a happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bisons together. Her count is less than 200. How many people must Bonumala have counted? 214, 154, 134, 177. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave painting in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there, but time is it. They are now moving towards Bhopal. Should reach there in less than 1 hour at about o'clock. Lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch pack. Biscuit, oranges, and bananas are also distributed in all the buses. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take bananas. How many oranges, biscuits, and bananas are distributed? Manjeet and Bhanu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzles to pass the time. Manjeet tell the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. Bhanu 120 no, 130 no. It is 125. Manjeet right, okay. You ask now. Other children join to everyone is asking puzzling question. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? What numbers can you make using 3, 5 and 7? You can make 357 and 537. What other? A number because double of if it is increased by 8. But is the number think of a number which can divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. A small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute but slips down 2 centimeter. How much time will it take to climb to 2 centimeter? Can you solve this? Try them out. Which boat do we take? They are so lost in puzzle that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is a very big lake. with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have it to choose which boat to take, but that is not easy. There are different kind of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. Double decker 30 rupees 45 minutes. Paddle boat 15 rupees 30 minutes. Motor boat 20 minutes. Boat with oars 45 minutes. Four of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gori and her group. We will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun. Zoom. Let us take the oar boat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. Hey, we are going on the double decker. It also but music. It cost a lot but we get more time. Indra and Bhanu first went the motor boat and then took the oar boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? Rupees. How much did they get for both rides? One group of children went for the double decker trip. They paid 450 rupees in total. How many children went for the double decker trip? Which boat makes two trips in 1 hour? Which boat takes less than hour, half an hour to complete a trip? Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Javed went twice for boating the pair. He paid a total of 40 rupees and boated for 50 rupees 50 minutes. Which two boats did he take? Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. It is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by o'clock. Find out. Have you ever been on a school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out and cost of travel for each child. Practice time. There are for many old cave paintings. Mark the oldest 4200 years old, 8500 years old, 1000 year olds, 1300 years old. One bus can carry 48 children. How many children can three buses carry? About 100, 200, 150. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? 152 and 241. 321 and 192, 99 and 299, 401 and 91. What happens at what time? Draw lines to match. Cross the Narmada Bridge. 9:10 a.m. Looked at Bhimbetka painting. At the petrol pump. Boating in the lake. Had lunch. Returned to Hosangabad.